Alright, let's play a little game. Imagine you've just discovered a treasure chest, but instead of gold coins, it's filled with digital assets. Cryptocurrencies, to be precise. You're excited, you're ready to dive in, but wait. Where do you actually store these digital treasures? Where do you send them, receive them, and manage them? And more specifically, if you're using Newton, how do you find that crucial piece of information, your wallet address? Sound familiar? Maybe you're brand new to crypto, maybe you've been around the block, but you're just not quite sure where to find that seemingly elusive Newton wallet address. Don't worry, you're not alone. Figuring out the ins and outs of crypto wallets can feel like navigating a maze, especially when you're dealing with different platforms and their unique interfaces. But here's the thing, understanding your wallet address is fundamental. It's the key to your digital vault, the unique identifier that allows you to interact with the blockchain. Without it, you can't receive crypto, you can't participate in transactions, and you're essentially locked out of the exciting world of digital assets. So, why is this so important? Why can't you just use your email or username? Well, think of it like this. Your email is like your house address. It tells people where you generally live. But your wallet address is like your specific apartment number. It tells people exactly where to deliver your packages, or in this case, your crypto. Now, Newton is a popular Canadian cryptocurrency platform known for its user-friendly interface and focus on compliance. It's designed to make buying and selling crypto as straightforward as possible. But even with its intuitive design, finding your wallet address might not be immediately obvious, especially if you're new to the platform. Before we dive into the specific steps, let's quickly touch on the concept of wallet addresses in general. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique address format. For example, a Bitcoin address will look different from an Ethereum address. This is because they operate on different blockchains with different protocols. So, when you're looking for your Newton wallet address, you need to make sure you're looking for the correct address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually find your Newton wallet address? It's a simple process, but it requires a few key steps. First, you'll need to open the Newton app on your mobile device or log into the Newton website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial, as you won't be able to access your wallet address without being logged in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the funding or transfer section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the version of the app or website you're using, but it's typically located in the main menu or dashboard. In the funding or transfer section, you'll see options for depositing or withdrawing cryptocurrencies. Look for the deposit option. This is where you'll find your wallet address. Now, here's where it gets specific. You'll need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, if you want to find your Bitcoin address, select Bitcoin. If you want to find your Ethereum address, select Ethereum. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency, your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. It's usually a long string of alphanumeric characters, a mix of letters and numbers. This is your unique identifier for that specific cryptocurrency on the Newton platform. You'll also typically see a QR code displayed alongside the address. This QR code contains the same information as the alphanumeric address, but it's formatted in a way that can be easily scanned by a mobile device. Now, here's a crucial point: double-check everything. Make sure you've selected the correct cryptocurrency and that the address displayed matches the cryptocurrency you intend to receive. Sending the wrong cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. Once you've confirmed the address, you can copy it and share it with the person or platform sending you the cryptocurrency. You can also use the QR code to quickly scan the address if you're using a mobile device. Remember, your wallet address is public information. Anyone can see it. However, this doesn't mean they can access your funds. They can only send funds to the address. Your private keys, which are used to authorize transactions, are kept secure by Newton. Now, let's address some common questions and potential pitfalls. One of the most common mistakes people make is sending the wrong cryptocurrency to the wrong address. For example, sending Bitcoin to an Ethereum address. This will result in the loss of your funds, as the transactions are irreversible. Always double-check the address and the cryptocurrency before sending or receiving funds. Another common question is whether you need a different wallet address for each transaction. The answer is no. You can use the same wallet address multiple times to receive funds. However, some people prefer to use a new address for each transaction for privacy reasons. This is a personal preference and isn't required by the Newton platform. It's also important to understand the difference between a wallet address and a private key. Your wallet address is like your public mailbox. Anyone can send you mail. Your private key is like the key to your mailbox. It allows you to access and retrieve your mail. Never share your private key with anyone. Newton, like other reputable cryptocurrency platforms, prioritizes security. They use various measures to protect your funds and personal information. However, it's also important to practice good security habits yourself. Use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Now, let's talk about some advanced features. Newton also offers features like address books, which allow you to save frequently used addresses for easy access. This can be helpful if you regularly send or receive funds to the same addresses. Additionally, Newton provides transaction history, which allows you to track your deposits and withdrawals. This can be helpful for record keeping and tax purposes. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions about your Newton wallet address, you can always contact Newton's customer support. They're available to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Finding your Newton wallet address is a simple process, but it's essential for participating in the world of cryptocurrencies. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily find your wallet address and start receiving funds. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and new features and updates are being released regularly. Stay informed and keep learning to make the most of your crypto experience. Understanding your wallet address is just the first step in your crypto journey. As you delve deeper into the world of digital assets, you'll discover a vast array of opportunities and possibilities. From decentralized finance to non-fungible tokens, the potential is limitless. So, go ahead, find your Newton wallet address, and start exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. With a little knowledge and practice, you'll be navigating the blockchain like a pro in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.